today we're looking at this app, VR Cake Baker. You can get it just on your normal app store. It's a free download and doesn't take a lot of space or anything. The point of the game is to make a cake, and you just do that by pulling the ingredients like the girls are there, and then you stick it in the oven. And once it's baked, then you decorate it and put designs on it and candles and things like that. My 4-year-old needed a little help just the first time, so it was nice that her big sister was here. But they both had fun playing with it together. The 11-year-old, she'd played other similar games, and she said this one was a lot more fun and engaging, so she ended up playing it for quite a while by herself. But even the 4-year-old had a lot of fun with it. She started running off with my phone so she could play with it. And they had a great time working on it together. In fact, their brother saw what they were doing, and he came over and started playing with it too. And so it was kind of fun that it was something they could do together and just try different things out, at least in the beginning. After that, they all wanted just to have times to do it by themselves. So anyhow, if you want to download it, there's an app in the description below, and I even put in an app if you want to enter a sweepstakes. Early in 2019, if you follow this link, then you can be entered for a drawing to get an iPad and an Oculus Rift to go with the app. So go ahead and find those links in the description below and have fun making cakes. Bye.